It's about to go down.
I'm in a fucked up mood.
You have to put money into all money. You understand? You risk everything. You understand? You see, in this life, you have to take risk.
My guy, risk. Take.
What's this now?
Take that.
Are you whining yourself? Let's have it.
What the this?
Give me 1,000.
How much you want now?
Oh, God.
Okay.
What's up, my people on a day? It's your boy OBIKING, and welcome back again to another episode of what I do best, comedy reactions. So guys, please make sure to watch the very end, because I don't know, YouTube is really messing with my channel. I don't understand. I don't know the reason, but they're messing with it. So what you just have to do for me is to make sure to subscribe, make sure to share this video, and make sure to give it a thumbs up. Just keep liking the video, you understand, and share it is very important. So don't play. Let's go have some fun.
Well done, sir. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Officer, good evening. Hope there's no problem.
No problem, sir. We just came to arrest your daughter.
Jesus.
Oh, that's my stubborn daughter. And she traveled. We have to come back. This is her sister. She just came back from school.
No, is this one we came to arrest you?
Arrest? How? I don't understand. Yeah? Did you do anything?
I didn't do anything.
If I blow you. I know you understand my 200k. Wait, oh. You stole his money. Talk now.
You go cry.
Actually, I went to his house to tell him that I like him. When I got there, I realized that he's married. So since I could not steal his heart, I decided to steal his money.
Husband, don't they hungry you?
My
brother, 200,000 Abi. Okay. No problem, eh? And let me just give you the money. There's no cause for alarm.
No, we have to take her to the station.
Shut up, sir. You don't know me. You can't give you like this now. 5 and 6. Let me give you the money now. I don't want it. This is a $200, eh? Change it, give him his money. Wow. Then give the PO the rest. Are you serious? Take it. Sorry for the stress. Well done, officer. Bye-bye.
Are you mad? You well?
Yeah? That money I give them, that's just fees for next step. So go and look for a way to sort yourself.
But there's no need for that.
What's the problem? Why are you stressing my life for Christ's sake?
No need for that, how?
I have money here now.
You? Where did you see money from?
When the policeman came to shake you, I collected the money from his pocket.
Hey!
I'm dying inside, though. A lot of things are happening to me, oh. Honestly, when they see a camouflage, oh. A lot of things are happening to me, oh. I swear to God.
You know the fear elder?
My convoy, they will take my arrest you next.
Hi, Bina Farouk.
Adi my guy.
I beg that site where they boost your social media. I beg tell me about them.
Now Ezo Booster now.
Okay, Ezo Booster.
Yes, now in case you want to boost your likes, your shares, your comments, your favorites, Ezo Booster got you covered. They boost all kind of social media accounts: TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. Visit their website now, ezobooster.com. Sign up and start boosting.
Dissolve! Listen, it's not for you going by your left, man. You by your right.
Guy, is it this your car, eh? We're going to go carry girls from Farm City.
No, my car. Now my guy car.
Eh? Now my guy car. Hey, your guy car, not your car now.
I don't want it.
Shit! What happened?
I beg, if you hear me on hotspot, my data don't finish.
Now Wi-Fi the car they use.
Listen, I YouTube, but they take driver.
Jesus! Which one be the YouTube the use driver? No go tell me to say, match the brake now.
Which one be break?
Which one you say where brake?
You will know where break. You come out now.
I beg, bros, help me. The bros! Bros, I beg, where did the brake them? Someone tell me to match now.
Which one be break?
Now you two will tell the drive car again. I don't understand. That's why you take by.
That's why I die you.
Solo.
Choba!
Sabinus.
Okay, they go.
How much?
200. Enter. Whole change you.
Okay, I'm going to go.
Oh God, this kind of wahala be this one now. Okay, I go to look for a close door now. Now don't go to person hand. Okay, come there now. You don't dare look me, man. Why you go put your hand for that place? You go down, go back and win. I go down, go back and go back. What's the problem now?
Now what for this guy so? For this super self. To see Choban I go hard.
Just say they never steal something for your body. Yeah. I don't say they gonna steal something. Because you know the possible may they just drive up like that. My phone and carry.
70 years old man.
You don't dare.
Lie. Jesus,
the truth.
Oh, thief to food this country, thief food.
I just next time I carry my guy. No stress, nothing. The police are also humans.
Your driver's license is not here.
Officer, he did there. He's there.
It's not here.
See him now.
Yeah. Fine boy. I be now.
He be now.
Yeah, I know say he be now.
Officer, he dying.
You know, so now we dey stand for this road now. That son now we dey protect you now.
What he did?
Run now. This is your friend now.
He dying.
After you don't start your own car finish.
Eh?
Corner from this side.
You go now, you go. You don't see person go bring better money come.
Officer, how are you?
Sir, please come and let's do searching. Today stop and search, sir.
Search what? Can't you see I'm on my way to the school? I'm taking my daughter to the school now. Who should be say search? If you not see say I carry pikin go school, you not get pikin, you let her late for class.
I know now, sir, but we have to do our job. Please come and let's do searching, please.
You pay for this, don't worry. Do your search.
Why they throw it in something?
My dad is not going to give you any money.
What do you mean by that? They come on in trouser.
Daddy, I'm getting late for school.
You hear that?
Sir, we are done searching you now. If I do anything for your boys now, no take see phone.
Is something wrong with you?
She might not be fights now, even if now these biscuits now.
No, leave.
Relax, see, they are still for biscuits.
Your name now, sorry. Just follow them and go station. When I Sabi. Very natural. Well, I just kind of go like that.
She knows you don't dash her. You're a dead man.
My son, take this for riches and long life. Open it. Drink some from it. Don't swallow it. And if you swallow it, don't pour it out.
Why you not tell me since?
Find girl. Leave me alone, I have a man.
Me self have a girlfriend. Your Shokoto don't tear for back.
Yeah!
It's 9 days for the thief, as usual. Once I reach the night theater.
That side mirror being achievement. Just the OBS now. Just the OBS now. You see. Yeah! Iwo! Where we go shine? I beg.
As this refuse they got like this, it don't make sense at all. What will make more sense is to put the refuse on the road, so that the road can be very neat. A road now go better make sure that they throw these things. It don't make sense at all. Okay. Keep Lagos clean.
Smoking while driving. Burning refuse in the daytime.
Somewhere they burn refuse early in the morning. We are just burn triplets. Wait till be this now. I'm gonna bomb something every day. Now my triplets go get asthma now. What's this rubbish now? Mr. Adamu, are you crazy? Mr. Elemedu, now the land
a piece of land to multiple people.
So you don't transfer the.
I've sent you money, Raza. How far? You see me, I can't do special today.
Oh, now today I give to you.
What's going on here? What's going on? Understand?
Now today I give you.
I don't understand.
Now Thursday I give you. I didn't give you Thursday.
You still have to come here today.
I didn't give you Thursday.
Today is Thursday.
I didn't give you Thursday.
Now today,
You sell one piece of land to small people. Not only for Lagos today.
Gift card.
It's about to go down.
I'm in a fucked up mood.
You have to put money into own money. You understand? You use everything. You understand? You see, in this life, you have to take risk.
My guy, risk. Take.
What's this now?
Take it down.
Are you whining yourself?
Let's have it. Let's have it. Let's have it.
What the this? Give me 1,000. How much you want now?
Oh God.
Okay.
Hey, everybody.
I don't want trouble.
You calm down now, B. No sir, I cash you now, B. If I get like you, swear they knock you, no they shame. I beg, when I enjoy. I don't achieve this one.
Don't achieve one.
You get why?
My name is
I don't
Motherfucker.
concern you now.
If you're loyal with me, I'm going to give you better updates, better
That's all
updates.
take
You
up.
understand
No
what I tell you
thanks.
so?
It's still relevant.
See that guy will come now. That guy now like for streets now, one of those guys with the hot. But get ready to greet. I know you don't greet anyhow. You understand what I tell you now? Watch me. See the way I will take greet. See the way I will take greet. You don't.
You be all taker now. You know they're relevant again.
Oh yeah, and I did. I just did observe. A normal thing, you know the normal thing.
You don't be all taker now.
Every day, you really fall for anybody. Like that now.
1992, my first pickup. Omoru, I know for the life for. I know for the cut bread give you say. 20K.
You don't drop it.
I didn't see a drop this one.
I Jamie, they go
Oh,
down.
bam, I'm enter that way.
Yeah, now where they go now? Where they go now?
Family now.
Oh yeah, where they go
I
now?
don't enter me center now.
Why you go central look? I'm more just the bounce like that. Hey, yeah, come outside. What you hear, man? Oh yeah, bye bye. You where bye? Go there, bye bye. Go there, bye bye. Go there, bye bye.
They don't even do like say you exist.
No, at the same thing. Oh yeah, you go just reverse like that. Oh my reverse, man. Omoru, and I
know they relevant
like that now.
I know like I say they work for outside. Cut the crap. We like being shishenta. Yeah, no long talk. I get one sharp update for now. Better update. $100. We go share 40, 20. Instant 100.
Nothing, go chop. They busy.
Give them the $100 for
1994. Now we they raise them hush puppy. Those deals say, oh yeah, now like this it go be, now like this it go be. You other day now where I tell you say.
Hello, Afaje. What's up now? Homie, get me something. Yeah, now one bottle of gas. I tell you what you want.
That's small.
That's small energy for my gas.
Just area. Sorry.
Oh, man, no worry.
I want just see you for corner.
I no worry. Wait till order. Cigar. Yeah, now. We buy
Benson
Swiss for that egbo where they we no get. Oh yeah, now. Oh yeah,
We no get it.
Active.
Oh, let me say I don't
And they bring
get.
her.
They don't want me to even talk at all.
IRS.
Alpha Pablo. I want Shabali to go collect one.
Oh yeah, now egbo.
So IRS, you move and go your point straight. So
Wow. Like, which kind of format be this now? Which kind of FMT be this? No fit use kind of FMT. You go lose this client. Pass it. Make I help you.
I gonna look my eye.
I don't understand. I want to help you do something. Make I help you do am. No worry. I go do am from this angle. Yeah, see, first of all, you know you follow clients talk like this. You go first Control Z this, then you go. It show white profile.
Egbo wetin sup now.
No.
Alaye, you like that.
Say don't block you.
I don't tell you say no. Now you say
do you call like don't come the SK?
He said that they don't block you. You don't spoil you, brother.
I get money before.
You be mumu.
Hope say I know be this. Cause see, I know they follow you play. If I call this number, you no go, I go end you for here.
Hello?
Hello. My name is Capon. I have your.
Hello? How much you want to collect from junction to this place?
Hello. So see, your partner follow me to play. Also, now tell us I no like stress. If you stress me here, see, I go end you go pick on that person. Come here.
Hello, Paul.
My caller again. Hello.
Baba Kyle, they know they ain't they charging phone.
Jesus.
I go tell him me call you back.
Okay. I am no wala. Bless you, now they stress me. They say you know they. No wala, wait for her.
You don't know who you kidnapping again. You don't go even answer you.
No, they come back. Hello?
Sorry, I saw a missed call on this phone. What is this?
Go on punish you, they crazy. My Capon, they keep like this. They make Capon sleep. You know get sense. I tell you, sir, I kidnapped your son. So I need money.
Are you okay? Are you okay? Am I your mate? I don't understand. Why don't you do me this way? You know me before. How can you call my phone and begin to insult me? It's like they did not show you that. You don't have sense, eh? When you have sense, call me back. Don't buy anything. Huh?
We listen, we don't judge.
Now your papa number will they call like this?
Yes, that's my father.
Which kind of father is this?
Hello?
Hello, good evening, sir.
Good, very good. Good evening. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Our family?
The family is fine, sir.
Okay. So what were you saying before?
I said my name is Capon, sir, and I kidnapped your son, so I'm asking for ransom.
Give me the phone.
Okay, sir.
Hello, sir. Hello, Kyle. I've been trying to call your number since. Where did you get my house key? Sir, I have been kidnapped. How is my problem? Where did you go to that they're kidnapping you? Are you okay? So, where's my key? Okay, check under the rug. Open the rug, you see it under it. No problem. Bro, I tell you, see, this man no go work. I don't tell you before, he no go work. I sabi my father now, he no go work.
You should say this man your papa. Now, adopt you.
I don't tell you.
Don't check well, because you know present. You know buy me Igbo. All these friends, they no born you and go kidnap you now. You go buy me Igbo.
Hey, man. Yeah, Balo. See with the video, I don't see in shadow.
Almost late to work.
Babe. I know we are mad at each other, but I still have to drop you if I go to work.
Best way don't buy. She don't go now.
Let's just stop the fight. Just that sometimes you don't listen to me. You argue unnecessarily. Okay, fine. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I argued with you. Right? I'm sorry. Babe, I need to drop you. Stop pretending now, babe. Eh? Honey? Babe.
Babe. Honey? This one really sabi do that person who don't die.
This account will help us stabilize for the moment. while we will wait for her lab test results so that we can be able to get the general treatment for her.
Okay. Send eclampsia?
Eclampsia relief, yeah.
Okay. When should you take it?
Whenever she gets the symptoms.
Whenever she gets the symptoms. Alright.
Please. Honey. Honey. Baby. Baby, you can't do this.
You think it's okay?
Why are you raising your voice?
Why won't I raise my voice? When every now and then I talk to you about...
Can you just make a point without shouting? But listen to me. Listen, I am listening to you. You say I don't listen to you, right? Okay, what do you want me to do?
So you expect me to repeat myself again?
No, I just say, okay, I'm listening to you.
Obviously, you've not been listening to me.
Babe,
That's fine.
relax. Hold on. Listen, be careful with my baby, please. I'll face this way too.
See, make sure you don't touch me this time because I'm not doing anything with you. Don't touch me.
I'm not touching you too.
Yes, go to bed.
And make sure you don't touch me.
I'm not touching you. Who even wants to touch you?
They had a fight before they went to bed.
What have I done? What have I done? Please give me another chance, God, please.
She don't go now, no more chance.
Babe.
Babe, hold on. Hold on. Relax, okay? Relax. Babe, relax.
I dream.
Relax.
Get
It's
low.
okay. It's okay. Come for your water. Take some water.
You get lost in a dream. You for cry.
Relax.
You for cry.
Yeah. Babe. How'd you feel?
Better.
You feel better, right?
Yeah.
Love is sweet. Love is
I had a
sweet.
very terrible dream. And I just jumped up from that dream now. And it's just so weird how it's a coincidence.
Love is sweet. Love is sweet.
Dream I was having is what I met you on. On that note, I want to beg you that before we go to bed, every day till the last day of our lives, we must resolve every issues we have before we go to bed. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Promise me.
Promise.
Alright? That's what every couple should do. Because you don't know what can happen.
Yeah, that's right.
Right?
This video is more of a lesson than a comedy.
Try it.
Leave me alone.
Try it. I beg you. Don't touch you, okay? Easy with your baby.
Yeah.
Me don't touch you. I beg you. If you see the way I did cry for that baby, I was crying like a baby. Never in my life let this type of thing happen again. Listen, no malice. How can a grown-up man be keeping malice with a baby?
Exactly.
My baby. It will never happen. No matter what happens, I must not go to sleep without telling you, sorry, I am sorry, I am sorry, I am sorry.
You should always be sorry.
And you always be in my arms like this, right? Okay.
When I kiss now, I no kiss.
Okada!
First day as a security.
Morning, sir. What are you here for again?
Security work.
And you wear suit.
Sir, I like to be dressed the way I like to be addressed.
Of that dress, wear this one. This is how I want to address you. And before I move, this key is for the first room. Third one is for the room close to the kitchen. This fourth one is for that back room there where we keep storage. And then this last one is for the boys' quarters. I open the gate.
Not tell me the one for the gate. I did not know the one when I talk to you, when you listen, I'm sorry. I don't like to. You say let me address you how you like to be addressed.
Sir. I don't know where you have security already now. I said you didn't tell me you have done. Where is the key, Mom?
Yeah.
Woman.
Can you imagine? Security man, you go to flavor.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum assalam. Ina ne?
Lafiya kalau.
Sadu.
Ya jira ma akwai wani gida ne anan. Gidan Alhaji Mudan Sulu.
Oh, okay, is it because I say pé Sonu? No, I don't hear the language. I just greeting you pé as my. Sorry, no best.
Papa, you answer as if you speak Hausa.
Okay, Oga, I've come. Please leave. Oga? I want to go find key.
Madam, before I have almost finished inside the generator.
What is this that you're wearing?
It's the clothes, man. The security clothes.
What's that?
Bet.
Why? You can go. I'll send you money for fuel.
Because I'm nearly finished.
Go!
It's nearing the end, that's what.
Where them dey?
They carry weapon, no.
Hello, Oga. No worries, sir. Everywhere is secure. All secure.
Everywhere is secure, for inside where you do. Mamba.
Mambadi nanga. Kasongo mbona wewe. Songa libala. Oh yeah.
Dammy, come may you go buy matches for me. Tell them I give you original one, no. Confirm say na good one where they work. You hear me? Oh yeah, they go.
A few minutes later.
Mama. Yeah.
Hey, Jesus. Damn it! You go buy matches when they don't use finish.
No, Mama, na me use them.
Why you go use them?
Mama, you talk say make I confirm whether they work, and I confirm all of them they work.
Hey boy, I'm beginning born and I should have begin self.
I've been hey, Papa.
I know, Baba. How far now? You're that guy.
Yeah, I know the right. I just stay cheese.
What are you doing?
I just stay crushed up now. No more. I just make I stay cheese though. Make I just chop 1 or 2 puff. But they don't buy me puff.
You want to smoke?
If you call it that.
Are you okay? We'll go back party. What's wrong with you? What's your problem? You want to smoke in my car? Why did you smoke where you're coming from? Come on, my God. Don't carry another guy. Oh yeah, bullet.
Okay, Papa, sorry, I'll keep it. Relax, more you go. Tell a joy. There's you me.
Children of nowadays. Why are you even smoking? Smoking is bad. Now it's not good. When you smoke, it kills your lungs. Don't you know that?
I'm staying cheese though, Papa. I'm not smoking.
Oh there. Staying cheese on. Oh no. Why are you smoking? Smoking is not good now. See, you need to just
be careful.
That's okay.
And the popo be that now. And the pope's going to the police.
Hey, the police now. What happened?
Papa, baby, me the smoke. I don't want to go party.
You don't want to go party? Throw it away now. Throw it away.
Papa, make I throw Risa Sativa away. You know what they sell? I'm 75k per gram. I know if you throw me away, Papa.
Sativa.
Risa Sativa.
Let me go into prison now.
No, we know if you go prison, me hold them a big.
You want me to hold it for you so that you will not go to prison, Abi?
Yeah.
That's okay. 50k. Ope.
Okay.
22 44 55 68. That's my name, Omoba. God bless you. Okay, I will keep it for you.
Stop on now.
Oga police. Oga
Babakayode.
I'll walk.
Fine. No.
That's okay.
Who be this young man?
No worry, this one is my boy. He's innocent. He doesn't smoke, he doesn't drink. Do you smoke?
Smoke? I detest smokers. I hate smokers.
Anywhere I see smokers, I feel like shooting them.
Wait. Carry this my boy go junction. How far?
Jesus. Okay. Space no day, car.
There's space. You want to offend police officer? Enter, officer. I want a big go. God bless you.
Go.
No problem,
We're here. Okay, all right. God bless you, grandma. You have a safe journey.
I don't understand. Where are you going here? Take your Igbo now.
What? I'm not an Igbo boy.
It's smoked.
This guy don't get sense, so. This Baba Kayode don't get sense, so. You don't even get stills at all, nothing on you. Still in front of police, they give and say, take your Igbo. Which day you go get sense? Can you imagine? So plus 50k, you still humiliate her. Anyways, thanks guys for watching to the very end. What's the favorite part of the video? Let's have it right in the comment section. And please, if you're coming across my channel for the very first time, make sure to subscribe. It's very important. You feel me? Share this video at least so that YouTube can start pushing my videos again. Because I don't know anything they worry them. They made they did an upgrade since the 12th of May, and since that time, it seems just they affect my channel. You understand? But I believe as long as I keep posting, it will come back together. It will come back. So see you in my next video, my people. Peace out.